have been the innovator of the fluid bed technology. We have innovated in the coating equipment.
Now, lastly, Klaus, as this technology evolves, I mean the continuous manufacturing technology evolves, what plans do Glatt have in actually making this better, as well as what are the advancements from Glatt that we can see for a better tomorrow?
Glatt has always been and often been innovators of process equipment for the last 70 years of the existence of Glatt. We have been the innovator of the fluid bed technology. We have innovated in the coating equipment that batch sizes can be reduced down to 5% if necessary. We have containment solutions in place which we have developed our own. So we are an innovative company, and which is important for us, whether that is batch or continuous. Specifically for continuous manufacturing, we have our mod cost system, which is a modularized system, so the customer can choose the modules which he needs for his process, and we can configure it. And continuous manufacturing needs a little bit of development first, so that we choose the right equipment before we configure the right equipment for him, whether that is for wet granulation continuous manufacturing or direct compression continuous manufacturing. But for both, we always look that these modules are to the new standards, that we improve them, because you mentioned downtime. Can we take it apart and clean it very fast? Can we make the tolerances of the weighing, for instance, in loss and weight feeders, can we make them even smaller? Today we can feed material continuously down to a few kilos per hour, even a few grams per hour feeding rate of APIs, which is a very small tolerance. And this has something to do with the equipment which we develop. So we are always striving to improve our technologies. And I cannot say more, but we have, of course, in our program also new technologies on the way, which will come to the market the next 1 or 2 years, which will be new in batch as well as in continuous manufacturing.
Any other specific trends that you would like to speak about, Klaus, especially as you are into end-to-end processing? Any specific thing that you would like to highlight?
Yes, I think that containment, meaning handling high potent drugs or high potent APIs, is an interesting area where we for the last years have developed complete systems where we can protect the operator, protect the product and the environment much better, up to a level of OEB5. And this is clearly a trend where we see from the industry that the material is getting more active when we are talking about oncology products or immunosuppressant products. These demands high containment facilities and high containment equipment. And there we also are market leader where we can provide the right solution to the customers.
Thanks for all these details about continuous manufacturing, Klaus. I'm curious, and you can take it as my academic interest, but I've seen any series of Glatt that I've seen in certain trade shows now, and also a talk about Glatt entering the liquid processing domain. So could you help us with what are your plans and how are you taking it forward? Because liquid processing is something new, if I'm not wrong, that Glatt is entering into. So could you please help in that?
Yes. Correct. I mean, we have been in the OSD market for many, many years, and our owners, the family, they decided to invest in liquid manufacturing as well. Now there are many providers of systems in place, but either I would say they are vessel manufacturers or they are engineering companies designing these. What we can at Glatt is that our DNA is the processing. So we can provide liquid processing where we can deliver a 360-degree portfolio to the customer, meaning we can do the processing design, we can manufacture the necessary equipment, as well as putting the control systems on top of it, as I mentioned before. Mm-hmm. And that package, I think, is unique for Glatt, and that is also why we entered into the liquid market. Next to that, the liquid market is of course also growing double-digit right now. Vaccines or the new GLP-1 products coming in the market. So this is an interesting market for us as well, and that's why we entered into it from our facility in Pune.
thank you, Klaus, for such a wonderful session. It's been great speaking to you and for the insights that you've given. I'm sure every person who sees this episode would be taking back something or other that will be extremely important for him or her. Thank you very much for your time, Klaus. And again, from Hello Pharma team, we wish you the best.
Yes, thank you very much to the Hello Pharma team, to everybody, and to you, Sujit. Thank you very much for this session. And if anybody has more questions, then you're welcome to contact us and our experts at Glatt.
Thank you.